Welcome to this demonstration of ADS's FlowView PRISM. FlowView PRISM is ADS's new web application that delivers near real-time information from your flow, level, and rainfall monitors. For this demo, we have set up a small project containing about 11 locations here in Huntsville, Alabama. But the software will scale up to hundreds of locations. We have named our project Demo Customer. Use Google Chrome as your browser for the best user experience. When you launch FlowView PRISM, you are directed to the home screen and these leaderboard tiles. The home screen allows you to view the health of your collection system in terms of alarms, battery, and collect status. Let's take a look at the map. It displays the monitored locations. The shape of the markers indicate the type of monitor. Circles identify flow monitors. Triangles identify rain gauges, and squares identify level monitors. The color of these location markers will change depending on the condition state of the location. Green indicates that the location is in a normal, non-alarming state. Red indicates a location in an active alarming, but unacknowledged state. Orange indicates that the location is in an active alarming, but acknowledged state. And then you have gray. This represents an inactive location. Click within the search field to list available locations. You can click on a location from the search list or the map. A location property card displays. From here, you can view data through the location dashboard. You can collect data, schedule a collect, edit location properties, and activate a monitor. From the map, you can also create new locations. The tiles give quick access to information. The Alarms tile displays the number of active but unacknowledged alarms. When you click on the tile, the Alarms widget displays. The Alarms widget indicates the type of alarm, the date and time of the alarm event, and the alarming location. You can acknowledge the alarm by clicking on the red bell under Status. The bell then turns orange to indicate the alarm has been acknowledged. Click on the Location link to display the Location Properties card, and select the Graph link to view data for the alarming location. You will notice throughout the software that you have the ability to filter information, to view full screen, and close a window. The battery tile displays the number of critical and low battery locations. When you click on the tile, it displays the battery widget. You can sort each of the columns. Notice the Buy Now button. This directs you to the ADS online storefront to purchase replacement parts and full systems. The Data Collects tile displays the number of failed, scheduled collects, and the next scheduled time. In this case, there were 4 failed collects. Let's take a look at the top of your screen. Additional customers are available from the drop-down list, along with available location groups. Depending on your credentials, you may edit your customers and location groups. Use this to toggle between displaying active and inactive locations. Under User Preferences, you can set up your username and contact information under the user details. Under the Notification subscriptions, you select the alarms for which you want to receive notifications. Now note that if you have 2 email addresses entered, the notifications will be sent to the secondary email. Notice that if you have multiple customers, you can choose a favorite to display when you launch FlowView PRISM. And under User Settings, you can select your view mode and language preference. You can also identify the software version through About Us, and under Help, there are various contact channels for support. If you need assistance navigating a page, click on this question mark. The Location Dashboard screen displays data in hydrograph and scattergraph view. Notice that you can scroll through multiple locations. Choose a location, the entities, and time frame. When you hover over a data point, the date, time, and values display in both the hydrograph and scattergraph. In the upper right corner of the Location Dashboard, you can select annotations to add on the hydrograph and scattergraph. You can export the data and print your graphs. Exported CSV files go to the vault into a default folder named Data Export. Let me highlight the Dynamic Dashboard button here. This allows you to select locations to plot as an overlay on one hydrograph. The Report screen provides tabular presentation of data. The Daily Summary Report provides the minimum, the max, and average for unit depth, velocity, and Q continuity for the past day. You can download this as a CSV file. If you want more detail on a location, choose a location link and modify the time span and entities by choosing the filter. The Percent Full report provides the average and maximum percent full for the past day and past week. You can choose the filter to change the time span and locations. The Uptime report provides data availability percentages for the past day. If you want more detail, choose a location link and modify the time span and entities using the filter. The Vault is a repository for files. You can create a folder, upload, and export files. Here you create folders in the Vault. Note that FlowView PRISM has already created a folder named Data Exports. Upload allows you to bring information into the Vault from outside of FlowView PRISM. You can upload files such as pictures, site reports, location XML files, and CSV data files into the Vault. You can upload up to 25 files at a time. Export allows you to export data as CSV files just like from the Location Dashboard, but the Vault allows you to export multiple locations and multiple entities. Whether you export data using the Vault or the Location Dashboard, the exported files go into the default folder named Data Export. This concludes the overview of FlowView PRISM.